Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2017 Hyundai Elantra door handle, updated. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the battery, then remove visible screws and trim pieces. Gently pry the panel away from the door, watch for hidden clips, and set the panel aside. Keep clips and screws organized so reassembly goes smoothly. I will walk you through removing the handle linkage and swapping the new handle back in place step by step. Use a soft tool to peel back the vapor barrier, keeping adhesive intact for later. Locate the handle mechanism, latch rod, and any retaining bolts or clips, then remove them with the right tools. Unclip the latch rod by releasing the plastic retainer and carefully maneuver the handle free from the exterior pocket. Keep track of bolt sizes and orientation so the new handle installs in the same position without fuss or trial and error. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you work. It's a simple, cheap fix that makes a big difference on long drives. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new handle in the door opening and loosely thread the retaining bolts so you can adjust alignment. Reattach the latch rod and snap the plastic retainer into place, then tighten bolts to factory snugness without over-torquing. Reposition the vapor barrier, press the door panel back onto its clips, and reinstall screws and trim. Reconnect the battery and test both interior and exterior handle operation to ensure smooth latching and locking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.